morning, everyone. Welcome to another week of distance learning. And each day this week, I'm going to share a fun mug of where I've been. So this is a mug that's from Puerto Rico. And they have these things in Puerto Rico that are called coquis. And they make the noise that goes coqui, coqui. It's pretty cool. So that's that mug for today. I've been to Puerto Rico just one time, and I have a friend that lives there, and he's actually back there now. All right, so what we're going to be learning about today is line plots. So line plots are basically displaying data, a different way to display data. So this week we're talking all about how to display data, and then you're going to have a project on displaying data. All right, so we'll start with a definition. So a line plot displays data by placing an X above numbers on the number line. It could be an X, it could be a dot. That's why this X is in quotes, because it could be any indicator that there's a number there. Okay, so here's an example. All right, so this is a line plot, right? And basically there's 15 customers that came to a bookstore. And down here, it's displaying the number of books that they bought when they went to the store. So the X's are the customers. All right, so I'm going to write that down. X's are the customers to kind of help us. Okay, so the X's are the customers. So 3 customers bought 1 book. 2 customers bought 2 books. 4 customers bought 3 books. 2 customers bought 4 books. 1 customer bought 5 books. 1 customer bought 8 books. 1 customer bought 9 books. And 1 customer bought 10 books. Okay, so that's how you can display things on a line plot. That is a line plot is a very common way to display data. All right, so we're just going to get right into an example after we find the mode, the median, and the range of this set of data. So the mode, remember the mode is the most common. So the most common number is how many far up does the X's go. So the most common purchase of books was people purchase 3 books, the most common. So the mode is 3. Okay, that's the mode. Now we have the median. Okay, so the median, I'm crossing the numbers off. Remember how we cross numbers off? This is the middle. So I'm going to start here and start crossing the numbers off one at a time from each side. And we come to find out that 3 is also still the median as well. All right, so to find the range, we take the largest number, subtract the smallest number. So my largest number is 10, and my smallest number is 1. So largest minus smallest. So 10 minus 1 equals 9. And my range is 9. If you're still a little confused about mode, median, and range, please check back on the videos or the notes from last week. Okay, now let's get into finding the displaying data for this set that I've just given you. So 10 students were asked how many people, including yourself, live in your house. So the first thing that we are going to do is order from least to greatest. All right, so my least number is going to be 2. Cross that off. Then I've got 3. Then 4. I've got a bunch of 4s, so make sure you get all the 4s. And 1 more. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 4s. And 5, I've got 2 of those. And then 6, and then I have 7 left. Okay, so the first thing we did was order from least to greatest. Now we're going to create that line plot. So I already created that line plot. You can pause the video right here to create your own. I just did a basic one from 1 to 10. You can do one from 2 to 7 because that's how the kind of the range of our data. But you don't really want to make it, unless it was numbers such as 2 to 50, then you don't want to make it really big. All right, so you created your line plot, and you're going to put an X over any of the numbers that you see. So I see a 2 right here. I'm going to put an X, cross that out. I see a 3, put an X, cross that out. I see a 4, put an X, cross that out. I see another 4. See another 4. I see another 4. I see a 5. Another 5. 6. And a 7. Okay, so that was step number 2. Put an X over everything that you see. Now, let's find the mean, the median, and the range. Or the mode, the median, and the range. So which number was the most common? We can see very clearly on our data that 4 was the most common. So that would be 4. All right, now what's our middle number? Okay, our middle number, let's cross some stuff out. Crossing. It looks like 4 is also our median. And then what you can do, and then we're finding the range, sorry. So the range is not from 1 to 10 because we do not have any numbers. They're at 1 and 10. Our range starts where our X's start. So my highest number is 7 and my lowest number is 2. So my largest number is 7 where the X is at, and my lowest number is 2 where that X is at. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So my range is 5. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be posting another a video from Khan Academy as well if you're a little confused, but just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.